Crack bo yo shakabe yo men can see mo be pf se wiase nyina amaso netie. I dey do this video because of some things we will go on for the air top for this way Ghana every day. Some things we will go on for Ghana. Power way no good. It go on for social media. Opia sorry na okaka na adwen. Why? Opia sorry no say ono de me dem wadwama. Omu fi se omu wadwama. No mo dada ni pankwan o wiase. People they like people for the head top too much wey no good. Why? Kofu twanto too much wey no good. Fiama ni anda our generation and the people the next generation will come and they will be bad pass we self. But you know they see you know they come out and I'm pay. The cost of Ghana they know. People they use them brain they like people too much. Why? Me say emrena so. Emrena so say e be won the crown. Emrena so say you go know the truth. You go see the truth. See the pastors way now they come social media. Only fight. You see a big challenge. People they challenge them about it. Go see. Challenge is as always than challenge. Enjoy than challenge. We friend is saying sports and then challenge. Everything then challenge for you. Where they like people almost die. It me DSC kasa. I say if church the company for Ghana here, can we no get problem? Church, if it be company, can we no get problem? See churches where they Ghana. Ciao. Almost the brain to be careful. My area self, Kakasola can say for the church where they self no. The ciao. Church ciao for there. And can company and can master we no get problem. Now people they suffer. People they suffer for the streets inside. Boys ciao no get job. You finish school. I say the government for give you job. If the church, if you be company, can we no get problem? If you saw the pastors, what you go fit do? They no go fit do anything. Before look government for catch themselves. Can for catch them all. If they say, I'm to me as a coffee yara, you don't go 37, then come cosa yara phone and go on and share. So me to me, who better to see that and go for 7 minutes to me. I get this, they sell oil, sell handkerchief, sell this thing, salt. Why? They lie you like that. You good, you bread, a brem, and men also say. Mo beka no kware na si na obi duanu na obi twa ne daachi ana mo do munim na obi duanu na obi twa ne daachi what they go on or we dey see all we dey see everything na na so mutumi ndwane you no go fit run you really time say they for carry them the people they like people we for carry them all. Why? I say the youth if for do our government for register we for Ghana Commercial Bank they for register we all. Otherwise they will can lie we they for give you job they will do if they register because why we get voting ID card. You be citizen, every the time see government for give you job, unemployment, you will find some leader be. Then you go. You be in where you go lead we. Then give you job, then we do. You go give you job. Otherwise, you no go feel survive. Unless you they do business. Maybe music where they do. I they do music give people. I be sound engineer. But the things where they go on there, you know good. People they use them at big of use on my job, move some of the money and sama. We know they see what they go on for social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I say the pastors near, they forget them. Be business now, change content, business. You people know they see. If the people they fight, they say, oh media, me na my friend me. One na my friend, one is a pastors, one lectures in my friend, will be as in my friend. Yameno. Afro nyina ende munya munka bo na munya sore ba ko mo musi nyama afro nyina po ye hunhwe nyama afre we Pentecost for Methodist then me person me bo nyama musi nyama afre mu anda munya munka bo na munya ba ko they like we they take our money me na so la se me na so se be hu no kra no make you no let nobody they deceive you hwe mutra ye hu mutu munka Abraham tena we so o kan nyina ye hu nyina ye hu bibia mutu minka mutu min jina o enye I say, Muma sorry. See ya never ye. You better come some sana. On boom, no man dances. I say, Yenjina, it's all about work no day. People no get job. Now people they talk too much. Skin you up. Over some Thomas in Kapu. This say, oh, nyapo, they forgive you job they will do. Now they forgive you job. Otherwise, 2020. No, me 2020, me not go vote. Because my government no do anything. Nobody do that something give me. Nobody do anything give me. na mu dada nkofo be trans na mu dada and ese better say than the pastors ni bi. No. Why? Mu dada ni pa. It be burden with the top. Oh. That be the burden with the top. If that burden it me if you ask you man, you won't be toy. He be in Abraham the talk no. See, uma in dao, a man has to say in the dao. A man has to say in the dao pa. I say in use your dream. Common sense. Being way around the talk no. Common sense. Way for use. You see now, we be doing. I know we trying to that thing. The pastor them time we say. If we guide them all, they don't go feel run. Okay, almost is a more to me. You don't make 37. You don't be say, I feel every better now. Say I show more. I say leader, the name break, comment the name break. No man so many now uncle. There's so many now uncle because what they go on, they no good. They forgive you job to them we do. I'm make sure some boy unemployment for more Ghana. I say. You register Obia. The government register people where the government is, then they know who can vote to. If they go vote self, if a party way they help and maybe we go vote give. I'm with you more car. I'm with you more government they teach you more cow. We will be there no. Get to you to be unemployment. The for family job that we do. What me are they talking? If it makes sense, I will say it makes sense. If you know they make sense, I will say you know they make sense. I make sense. So I won't say make sense. Papa. They forgive you job. I know can't sit here say I reject the talk. I want make people to know the truth. They see. Better than the padrins. Mother than the if you say be mother than the padrins. Master, I say the time rich. Remember be under that. Over to my video. Na can I drink? Remember be under that. So to me be trans now. Can I drink? No because as a national boy. Or boy. Omo dada the pastors they like we they no get any powers bia how many powers bia they no get any powers where they will talk say they will can save you when they help everybody get problem in problem say you will lie you they take your money in problem you no get any money pastor no need to bia they lie we I say the time rich pa they for catch them all mo be try radio so TV so if so the olden days God maybe so way day. Olden days God maybe so a day. To today God. Use your phone that they pass mobile money. Oh, yes, sending mobile money. Sending me scatu, me card so. Hey. Oh no good. Hey, see, we for stand up. We for stand up. This thing they go on. We for stand up. You know, otherwise they go do. Yeah, share. You be kasa Abraham be kasa still now omunye master na sorry na obeti you for catch them me say no we bad no be now we bad from our the time we born till we take grow we bad boys you know be say we dey commit committee will be out we dey do our music then we dey promote them that be what we dey do but the things we dey go on the music we dey do no be message if the people they slave you or you no slave you know when slaving start you know be now you know when the church start from the time where we dey when I saying the slave people they come Africa can't slave you know it be that time the church come they can't start the slavery day be that time the slave people they come elimina castle. If that time they can build a church where they slavery. If you put the go see the history, make it there. What they go on for there. If that time they can build church first. Now pastors, the chow, that book, now you can make chow, the lie. I'm not before the corner, I'm not be Jama pastors for them so. I'm not so. That be the truth. You know, you people don't know the truth and we make you people learn. If you know the truth, then you people for follow. No be say they talk now, then you people can sit down. Now take action. The pastors will lie them no. Now they go show you. They God palace then we see. If they no go filter. You have a generation where we come now. You know be say they can't joke. And you say baby they grow. The way Ghana for be no. Cannot the B. Omo dada is a government scanning na be di passes for some of the munima. Sa government scanning na be di pass for busana ma boni nyina wa insist kan nyina wa enfa. Mo be ma passes for me lady. Things they go on for the head top you near katakata you know they see anything. We know they see anything. You people know they see anything. Hey, you need frasa how. Chamu, I am and no be school where we let somebody will get money on. Is a man who is a ubes Kenya and yet you might never obenyes cow. It's a coffee on my yes cow. Social media people they use them they make money on. People they use them they make money. If you don't know, a man soon. Say mama ni beda ofu eyizo ma dwunye sika omu say if you go do your own in a genuine way that one dey good obe wa dey peace now I wa dey when you sika you know be say we dey make fight video me pentokwe bia but if the truth way I dey say me can cry now be ati hey I say church if church be company for Ghana we no go suffer. This video I do give shock universe. One family, they can't shock the universe. The pastors way they do, we go look at them all. That them tricks way they do no. Baby, be a physical. The things we see for I top, we see them physical. If you be malam, we see them physical. They do everything physical. You know, we say they can't joke. The people where they do they do things give you know. They do them physical. If you be pastor, we won't see everything physical. God create this word. We come inside, we see them physical. You know, we say spiritual. This video they do no, I said they do give the pastors. Where you know beside they do give the things almost is almost man. The things they get sense man. Like people the like people me say men soon. What we they see? We they see from far. What we they see? The people if so know the I'm a trance. They were politics thing on be trance no ma fa no sana. Pastor so obetna no afa adwen the obetman that will be a tinisika you so them day today if you get you will tell you say moro come I get akwanche ma and then ochiwa obeka say echina oh bra mo akwanche bi ma no that ma no dey be na wo ba na sorry no do sika they see God before it be them way God they communicate with them. When they don't even know communicate, them way God they communicate with them. You see, oh you know they see what they go on. This video they do make you people we unite we find leader. Sena police more leader no sana suje say leader sana company so obeya also be leader. Everything you go do bia we get leader. The unemployment people they forget leader. Give you this video they do. No be say they do and they do give the people they don't get jobs. But say where they trans oko page man no enfa. Unya so na akonye juma. Government way bring money on. If be them way they bring money on. No could trust can buy. So if no be them way they give you, where you go get the money or somebody for go job, then they pay him, government pay him, then he can't give you all you go sell. Government for help you the youth all by me run and I do my business small but still now they for register we all for Ghana Commercial Bank. If they register we now they find job where you go do then the government for pay you. Government will for give you money. Kind of money where they it be way it be matter where they tell you people. I say my inter make our PG munu. Make our PG mu. Sina youth ni be down. This be the time. Chatawale if they try say go help you, but you know they feel they help you the youth. If for help you, maybe nobody they help you. Nobody they help me. The way they talk say nobody they help me. So nobody they help me. And they say you get money, you can't get money. They can't get our money. If you don't do it, you know go make your money. That's why they do this thing. And they do then they see say no in your break. Yeah, they find the money some. They for pay you. They for register you for Ghana Commercial Bank. Everybody. Ghana Commercial Bank. It be where they say no. So we'll get money soon. Some more time we will get money. We all will get money. This be our time, our century. We will get money. Make nobody lie you. Ah! I'm dada ni padwin sa. Esika benya bia no dada. Now they tell me say me I will become pastor. Me. You be kwa bochi. I'm dada me sa pastors lala. Pastors we I follow them. Only lala and kwa we they lala me. So I tell you people, see, they come say that they can't kill me, destroy me. Then they finish me. Obi wiye no ase no ekun sa na mo ba se o ma be wiye no me kun ye no ma se so mo ma ni da opa mo ma ni da no 21st century in be di agro kra. If I cut them all, if I raise them all, this be my message way I get give you people. Big up to Shock Universe, one family. Big up to Common Sense family.